Okay, so we've just started our NetGuard for our Mac OSX 10.8.5 and got our communications window. So what we'll do is we'll just go open monitor, go to full screen, see the power flow, and if we want to look at the history, all right, so for the event log, it tells me that we did an earlier establishment of communications at roughly 19 minutes past 4. Then we did a battery test at 24 minutes past 4 this afternoon, simulated an AC failure at 4:28, and an AC recovery not long after that, and another communication establishment. If we want to look at that as data, that's the event log we're looking at. Now if we go look at the data log, you see input voltage, output frequency, load levels, and battery voltages. Now if we scroll down on the data log, you'll be able to see the history down here where we did earlier. Yeah, there you go. This is the where we did the simulated input utility power failure and then recovery. All right, so and that shows up in the event log. Here is an AC failure, and there it is in the data log at that point there. Okay, so we go back to event log, that corresponds to the AC failure and AC recovery, and there it is in the data log. And then if you want to see it as an event statistic, you see it as an input event, and there it is, AC failure and AC recovery. We had one of each, and go back there, and you can also see there was a battery event for the battery start and battery completed, as well as two communication established connections when we restarted NetGuard. So go back to event log, data, and then you can even look at diagram. So you can look at, say for instance, throughout the day today, we'll go browse. Okay, so you can see we had two on events and an off event. That's for data, input voltage, output voltage, that's what we had. For that same thing, frequency will be the same, load level, and battery voltage. So there you go, you can look at that, data, event statistic, event log, and back to status. So that's what you can see. If you want to set up different UPS settings for local shutdown, you can go here, and we pre-ticked earlier 30-minute runtime on battery before shutting down the Mac computer, followed by, once the Mac is safely shut down and close all its applications, shut down the system, it will then instruct the UPS to turn off. So you've got that. So you can go back to UPS settings. There's your purchase information. You can set up all the interesting paraphernalia there. Go back to him for refresh. And we'll drop the menu back down. So there you go, that's just a quick run through on all the different little settings you've got in NetGuard to look at on a Mac OSX 10.8.5. Thank you for watching this video.